This is the iPhone 16E. The iPhone 16E. I just had to say it that way because I'm excited. What's up, internet? I'm Brian MacDuff, aka BMac, and welcome to another video. So yes, indeed, today I do have with me here the iPhone 16E, the latest iPhone offering from Apple. But per usual, new iPhone, you know what we gotta do. Gotta unbox it, so let's do it right now. Quick look at the box, you can see, of course, what the iPhone 16E looks like there, with a full screen display and your little notch cutout on the top. iPhone on the right side, iPhone on the left side, Apple logo on top, Apple logo on bottom, and of course some more model information, IMEI, serial number, all that good stuff on the back. But I know you don't care about that, you care about what's in this thing. So let's actually take a look at what is inside. That did not work. I feel like this never works on my iPhone unboxings. I feel like I'm always having to redo it. 2, and we are good to go. The unveiling of the iPhone 16E. The iPhone 16E in the black color with a beautiful matte finish. Ooh. From a design perspective, it's pretty. There's more to discuss obviously than just that, but just looking at this thing, it's pretty. We shall carefully remove this, put it off to the side, see what else comes in the box. And this won't take long because the only other things that are coming in the box are first this right here, which is going to be a 3-foot USB-C to USB-C cable. So the 16E is now also USB-C, just like the new iPhones have been. And then you do also have here a little quick start guide, which upon opening this little pill-shaped cutout of information here. One's gonna tell you to know that you don't even need a SIM card anymore because it's fully eSIM. And the second thing is gonna just give you some safety and handling information, so pretty easy. And that is all that comes in the box. But we do have some cellophane here to remove, paper, cellophane, whatever you wanna call it. So let's do that right now. I live for those moments. The iPhone 16E. Ooh, look at this flat matte finish back with the matte finish sides. Oh, I just love this look. I love this look. I love this feel. Matte finish sides, black. Sign me up. You do have your single rear protruding camera lens on the 16E. I'm very excited to put that thing to the test. We shall see. With your single power button on the right side, and of course your individual volume up and volume down buttons on the left side, along with your action button. Some speaker and microphone cutouts on the bottom with, of course, like I said, your new USB-C port. And all in all, a very nice looking and feeling device in your hand. But let's turn it on for the first time. Boom. The Apple logo. But here's the deal, I'm not gonna walk you through the whole setup process. If you know me, you know that I'm just gonna snap my fingers and it's all gonna be done for you, which means it's already done. The iPhone 16E being turned on and used for the first time. There are a lot of things to test out with this device. You have a lot of things to kind of think about. The fact that it's now the 16E and not an SE model suggests that we're gonna have a version of this potentially every year, so that's interesting. Of course, we're gonna put it to the test out that camera, test out the performance, see if this thing could actually hold its own with what it is for its offering. So we are of course going to do that. And if you have not yet already done so, please make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you don't miss any of the new content that I have planned for this baby. And of course, as always, for the latest deals, prices, promos, and information for the iPhone 16E, you can of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/iPhone16E, or of course, as always, there will be clickable links in the video description box and in the comment section below, so check those out. I'm gonna go put this thing to the test. I should probably not just keep tossing it around without a case on this thing, but I like to live dangerously. I will see you guys in my next video.